Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here to start the masterboard. So we need 3 of them that are 12 by 12, and that's so we have one to use in each of the 3 journals. I'm actually going to make mine similar, and I have chosen this paper from my paper pad. I want to cover this because it really has nothing to do with daisies. So we're going to go ahead and start with one, and then I'll be able to do the other 2. Now I have a couple of things that I know I want to do on here. I want to add some of this white paper and some of this white paper. And the reason for that is in case I want to use some of the tissue paper, I want to make sure that I have some places that are not as totally see-through. I do have these pieces from the envelopes that we had cut that I probably am going to use also. So now this time for the masterboard, I did pick up some of the Dollar Tree glue sticks. Remember, you can use any glues for your challenge. The tissue paper is coming down the hill here. It's going to join us on the table probably. It heard me talking about it. No. Okay, so I'm putting down some of this glue stick. And I'm going to go ahead and put down this paper. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put down this glue stick on this side. Okay, so for me, assembly line is come up with your idea and then make as many of them as you can. You see I have this page. This is from one of the new chapter pages from one of the books that I have here that I'm using book pages out of. Okay, book pages are junk, so you can use your written book pages. Okay, because we are using junk in this. Oh, we're not straight. Oh well, we'll fix that with something else. Okay, so there is top and bottom, and I feel pretty good about that. So I like to start with, if I have larger pieces, and remember I'm trying to use up my scraps. I have this lined paper, which I think would be kind of fun on here somewhere. I think I'm gonna put it here. Okay. So this is just a giant collage, but then you're gonna take this giant collage and you're gonna make things that you need in your journal. It might be one of your signatures covers, like might be made with a masterboard. It could be a whole bunch of tags or belly bands or pockets or cards. I've used them before on the cover. So, you know, you just never know where you might. Okay, and then we have some little ones of the lined paper. I'm going to put that down here. Okay, you can put your glue on your paper and put it down. You can put it on the board and put it down, or you can put it on both and hope that they attach to each other. Okay, putting this on. Okay. I think we'll wait with that. Okay, so now I have just random other stuff. Here I have from cutting, I can either go pink or I can go blue. I'm gonna go blue because I think that I'll have more pink than I'll have blue to put in here. I could be wrong though. As I'm looking around, I'm probably wrong. Okay. Okay, as I look at that, I'm thinking, you know what? I think I'd like to put, remember our vine stamp? I think I want to put our vine stamp on that. there's our vine stamp. I like that. Okay, tissue. You know, I was wondering what happened to the cover tissue pieces, because they would be great in here. Okay. I want to make sure I get some of the yellow daisies. So I'm thinking like this. There's one. Okay. So putting down some more. Okay, I like ripped edges, so I'm going to go ahead and rip the edge on this. And then put it down next to these green lines over here. Okay, so we used one of the images from the digital. I like that. Let's see. Okay. The other thing is when you rip things, you can keep the ripped edge and use it also. Did I throw away the ripped edge of the other thing? Probably. Okay, I like that. I'm thinking I want to put that right there. It can go ahead and go up and on this purple. Right up to the edge. Okay. Okay, I kind of like that. Yeah, so this is what I'm just going around trying to get an idea of what we've got. And I'm starting by covering the board, and then I'll come back in and I'll accessorize it. Embellish it. I like accessorize. Okay. Okay, there's that. You can come in with this. So it's like just a giant patchwork. Oh, there was green. There was a little green. Look, little green. Okay. Wait, see, I should have all of these pieces to be able to put down again and again on two other, to fill in two other, the other two masterboards. Like I said, I'm going with similar. That's just my preference. It does help kind of if you have an idea of what you're going to turn it into. I'm not really sure at this point. But you can see I'm adding some of the images from the digital kit. Then I have a couple interesting. I have these. This is the negative from I think we'll go with 3 down here. From the sticker sheet that I used in the stack a sticker. It's one of the sticker sheets. Okay. Go ahead and put that across. Usually if I'll have another sticker left, I'll put a sticker sometimes in one of these. I think these are a lot of fun to add. Sometimes I'll add them to a page and then I can journal in them. Okay, so there's that. Okay, let's see. Okay. I do have a paper, but it's, I mean, I'm going to be able to put that down, but then I don't think I'll be able to put anything else on it. You know what? What if we do a piece of our fabric up here? Okay, that I need to put down with fabric tack. Let's see. So all the mediums that I've been using, we'll go ahead and use them on here. Okay, so we've already used these. Use the pink, but not the blue. Let's see, what else do we have that's kind of small? We have this. But that kind of would look kind of cool over here when we get that going. Oh, we've got this. Okay, up here we have, oh look, we've got an image from the digital. Okay, so there's that. Okay, I like that. We're gonna go ahead and, plus we'll have used the scrap of the scrap. The scrap of the scrap. I like that. Okay, I want it to go to the edge here and up. Okay. And down. Okay, scrap of the scrap, and let's see. Okay, so we want to do something with this here. We have this, but we also have the black and white polka dot. Okay, and we have some blue and we have some pink. So let's go ahead and see if we can find the the box that has, that's the empty box. It had the stamp in it. Okay, so here's this. You guys, I haven't used any doilies yet. Okay. I'm going to fold this up because I don't want to miss it. I'm hoping to do a page in here from that. Okay, so down the center, black and white, and we're going to pull out a blue one and a pink one also. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but we'll pull them out and we'll be ready. Okay, that can go back in the thing. This can go to the side here. The blue one can go to the side. Okay, we have black and white. Come over here like that. Oh, the blue is like regular tissue. Okay. The white, they're like, well, maybe I'm just holding it on the wrong side. I don't know, you guys. These, well, they feel like they're a little heftier than your regular tissue. Okay, so there's that. I think we'll put that there, put that there. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, so we'll start with get a lot of glue on here. Okay, and put them on quickly. Here's one, and I'm going to be fine with wrinkles. Okay. Okay. And up against that edge. Ah. Piece over here, kind of up against the edge. Okay, and this piece is going to go over here. I wonder if I can. Okay, so that looks really, I like that a lot. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can. There's one, two for the other ones. I'm gonna go with this right across here. Actually, I kind of want it to help to put these two together. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, and I have a whole lot of scraps for this, but I want to make sure that, you know, it's assembly line. You go ahead and make sure you have, there's my fabric pieces that we'll be able to use later. And then I'm going to come over here and grab this, put one of those right here. Okay, so fabric swatch right here. Okay, cut down. Now the cool thing, the fabric tack seems to help this with the frame also. I say that it's like stuck to the, put that down. Okay, grab something and clean off the edge here. Okay. I like the way that looks there. I don't think we need that. Maybe here. I'm gonna put that up and over, and then didn't we have, yeah, a little piece of green. Okay. Okay, we already used that. We can use a postcard. Yeah, we'll use a postcard right there. The little playing card. I'm going to put it so that it's coming, oh, maybe out of that one up there. Okay, make sure, yeah. Put it right there. And then we have this. Put it right there over the four corner thing. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, so those are for the other two. Oh, we do still have these. Okay. Okay. Forgot where I was going to put it. Oh well, we'll put it right here. Okay, got this one here. I like to put these over like corners, like four corner places, like this one was. That kind of idea. Okay, I think we have used a whole lot of the stuff. Okay, so we have this. in here. I don't want to take more away, but you know what? I kind of like that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take this one and have it come down on here a little bit onto the next one. Okay, up here I have 3 little green pieces. I'll put 2 up. Okay, I like it on the side. Okay, I know what other thing I had that I haven't used yet. I think we'll put that up there. This is from the, sorry, we go over. There's that. Okay, I like it. Okay, I think I have one more thing I want to do. If I can find the daisy page that we've been using. Let's go ahead and see if we can grab that finger stuck. Okay, so I got a daisy for each one. That's what I was doing here, getting a blue daisy that for each of the 3. Okay, and I'm looking to see I think I can go with this one right here. I think I have 2 of them. I do. As long as I can get them out okay. There's one. There's 2. Okay, well this will at least give us some of the daisy on this side. I'm going to use the fabric tack. You know what though? The glue stick worked really good for that. So let's go ahead and see if we can put some glue stick down here. Okay, so there's that. There's that. And I'm gonna fix this, you guys. It's driving me crazy. Because it's gonna keep fraying. I'm afraid so. I'll just cut those off. Cut. Okay, that is masterboard number 1. And I have to decide if I'm going to sew it. I probably am, because I used a glue stick, and that will just help to keep it down. Oh, here we have a little tiny piece of black and white. Look how awesome that looks. That just awesome. Okay. I have this little piece. It's like, oh well, I can use it on something else. Okay, so masterboard number 1 is done. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry. I'm going to go ahead and stitch on it. I'm trying to decide how I'm going to do that. I could go ahead and stitch like these pieces on, and then when I cut out my items, they could be stitched. I think that's the way to go, because I think that this, you know, doing that, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I will stitch things after we have cut this up and turned them into whatever they're going to be. So, which it could be a signature cover. I've done journals where the signature covers were all masterboard. I like these, where we have some lined paper, so you know, this could be a large tag. So kind of looking at it, kind of getting an idea of what things can be. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and go, we'll make the other 2 and I will be back. And here they are. I have 3 12 by 12 masterboards with the beautiful pink and green polka dot on the back. They are all extremely similar, like almost identical, very, very close. I mean, as close as you can get when you're ripping paper and things like that. But I love them, and I am going to go put them under some heavy books so that hopefully they'll straighten out. And then in a future video, you'll see how I decided to cut them up and use them. Okay, so but there is my masterboard elements, 3 12 by 12 masterboard elements, and we're going to move on to the next thing. I have 1 left, and that's snippets. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are enjoying this challenge. If you want more information about the August challenge, the details videos in the description box down below. Remember that we're here every day at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, and we use the Premier format, so that means that we have a chat, and you're welcome to join us in that live chat. Just hit that live chat button, come on over, say hello, or plan to be here at a 10:30 Pacific Standard Time chat. I'm usually there, and we have a lot of other great people that are there almost every day. Find something to celebrate every day. Please go watch a movie, I said it again. Please go watch another video after this. It can be any video on YouTube. YouTube likes it when you stay on YouTube after you watched a video that you liked. Also, thumbs up and come back and comment. It really is helping to get these videos out to other people, and it is helping my channel get back and healthy. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.